Welcome to Chill English Flow. If you want to learn English in a relaxed and natural way, you're in the right place. My goal is to help you improve your English.
Hey, Sophia. Thanks for coming in today. How are you finding the new unit on conversational English?
Hi, Jake. It's going well, but sometimes I hear phrases that don't make sense literally. It's a bit confusing.
That's a very common challenge. You're probably talking about idioms. They're expressions where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words.
Exactly. For example, my friend said she was on cloud nine yesterday. I just smiled, but I had no idea what she meant.
That's a perfect example. On cloud nine just means to be extremely happy or joyful. Let's break a few common ones down today. It's not as hard as it seems.
That would be great. I feel like I'm always missing the joke or the real meaning in conversations.
Don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. Let's start with an easy one. Have you ever heard bite the bullet?
No, I haven't. It sounds painful. Does it mean something is difficult?
You're on the right track. It means to decide to do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been putting off. For example, I decided to bite the bullet and finally clean my garage.
Oh, I see. So I could say, I need to bite the bullet and start studying for my big exam. Is that right?
Perfect. You got it. See, not so scary. How about this one? Break the ice.
I think I've heard that. Is it about starting a conversation with someone you don't know?
Precisely. It's what you do to make people who have just met feel more relaxed. At the start of a party, you might tell a joke to break the ice.
That makes sense. So it's about making things less awkward. I like that one.
Okay, one more for you. What if I said, that new phone costs an arm and a leg?
That one sounds dramatic. I'm guessing it means it was very, very expensive.
You got it in one. It means something is extremely expensive. The key with idioms is not to picture the words, but to learn the feeling or situation they describe.
This is actually really helpful. Just learning a few makes me feel more confident. Are there a lot of them in English?
There are thousands, but you only need to know the most common ones. The more you listen and read, the more you'll pick them up naturally.
Thanks, Jake. I feel much better about this now. I won't be so confused the next time someone says it's raining cats and dogs.